Hi, I'm Sejal. I'm your life coach and a relationship coach. How are you doing? How was your day? Remember one line, what I'm going to say now, that choose her every day. Choose him every day. How can you do that? See, when you have commitment in the relationship, you know that now I'm with this person and I want to live all my life with this person. And every day when you get up and you see your partner and you feel happy about it, that okay, I'm with this person and this is like my blessing and I'm really happy being with this person. And tell in the mind that yes, I'm choosing you, Otherwise, when you feel that, oh, it's like my bad fortune or it's my destiny, that's why I'm stuck here. Okay, it also serves at times that when somehow something is just not working, even if this works, that this is my destiny, doesn't matter. But if you want to have that intimacy, want to ignite the intimacy, choose your partner every day. See, choice is always your choice. Okay? That is why it is called choice. Is it confusing? Let me tell you something more about it. Suppose something has happened. Okay, the person shouted at you or something happened which is not so pleasant. Now it is your choice that whether you want to keep on getting affected by their behavior or you want to take charge of your state of mind and you want to get over that incident. So, suppose at your workplace, boss is not behaving nicely. Now you want to take that as an insult or as that, okay, it's not about me but it's about him. Okay, why I am thinking and giving so much of importance to other person's words. Tell me, other person's thoughts and words for you are more important than what you feel about yourself? Think about this. At times we give over importance that what this person is thinking and why my partner is behaving this way and why he said this and not that. Now words are just words. Don't give too much importance to words or even behavior. If you just go beyond words and behavior, you will see that, everyone has some greatness and some challenges. So again, I want to say, when you choose that I choose to love you, not only when you are at your best, but I choose to love you when you are not at your best. I choose you every day. It is your choice whether you want to be in love or you want to sit and sulk. It's your choice. I choose you. Remember this. Okay? Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and subscribe. We are a tribe, we are a community. You can join my Facebook group. Okay? And once in a week, I invite any one of you can come and have a one-on-one session with me, and that will be live. So you can come with any one question or one issue of your life, and from my own experience of coaching, I'll coach you that time. Okay? Or I'll help you. So you can send a request. You can find the details in the description box. So lots of love. Don't forget to comment. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.